Vowels are the backbone of English language. This is letter I. Its short sound is A and its long sound is I. There are different graphemes to represent the long I sound. You can memorize these graphemes with the help of types of syllables. I have posted types of syllables, the video about types of syllables on my YouTube channel and Facebook. Go and have a look over it. Short I sound. Kid, big, him, pin, dip. See, A. Now here, pine, magic E rule, pie, light, my, Y as a vowel rule, silent, open syllable rule. Subscribe for more. You can learn a lot on my YouTube channel and Facebook.